I do this. I do this. I cannot do this. Ah, it's a bad move. It's not funny. Why are you laughing?
His name is
Jude, nice to meet you. So, what's your rating?
Yes.
19. What's his rating?
His rating is something like 1700.
1700. Okay. Well, good luck, sir. Okay, Karakan. Kids are teaching me how to use the clock. I think it's 17, right? 17. Ooh, nice line on Karakan. Okay, I go here. And I go here. And we go here. Nice, he's got his system.
It's similar to rat structure.
To what structure?
Rat.
Rat. Переведи. А, крыса. Дебют крысы. Rat opening. Wow, so aggressive. Shalom. Oh my god, I'm already under pressure. He's playing fast and confident. 1700, you said?
Yes.
Wow. You wanna come here? You wanna stand here? Like this you translate. Come here. This is translate. You can come closer. Okay, good. All right. Very dangerous kids. Oi, oi, oi. Oh my god. What is he doing? My knight. He trapped my knight. That's not funny. Why are you laughing? This is nothing funny.
No, I know that it's not so funny.
Okay. Well, no choice. Let's go here. Okay, I got it. So I need to play faster. Let's got the entire night. Dangerous. Very dangerous. Oh, yeah. Huh? Now he's thinking. He got my knight and now he's thinking. All right, bishop c4. Wow, that's dangerous. So go here. Gonna go here. And did you beat him before?
Yes.
But today you lost.
Yeah, today.
Why do you think you lost?
I was not enough concentrated.
Was I distracting you?
No.
He's trying to find the forced mate. Trying to calculate. He's literally trying to calculate the forced mate. Huh? Likes tactics. Well, there is no mate here. No, he's looking at knight f6. There is no mate. Don't waste your time.
He doesn't understand so much English.
Tell him in Hebrew.
No, I will not tell him.
Doesn't want. Ay, 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 ay.
But he also doesn't understand Hebrew, so that's why. He understands Arab.
Oh my god.
No, you have to take.
Okay. Okay, where is the mate? Where is the mate? Where is the mate? Ah, that's what he wants. Ah, I see what he wants. Okay, let me focus. This is dangerous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that really working or? Is it really working? Or, okay, I cannot do that because you do that, I do that, you do that. So I have to do that. What did you plan here? I cannot play knight g6 because he takes, rook takes, and queen takes. Oh my god. Ay, 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 ay. What did he sacrifice? Let me. Oh my god. That is so dangerous.
It looks like that bishop d5 is okay.
Yeah? Oh. But don't help me. I cannot, if I win, then it's gonna be unfair. Now what do I do? Now I cannot play the move you told me. Huh?
No, you can play.
No, it's not fair. It's so dangerous. Okay. No choice. It's the only move. Don't say anything, okay?
Okay.
Or else it's gonna be
Unfair. Unfair.
So if I take, you take, and that's a checkmate. Ah, I see what you want. Okay, so I do this. I do this. I cannot do this. Ah, it's a bad move. Okay, I don't have time. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ферзем. Ферзем. Интересно. Very dangerous situation here. Okay, I go here. Ay, 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 ay. What have I done? This kid is so dangerous. And now he's trying to calculate till the checkmate again. I shouldn't tell him not to calculate because last time he calculated he found the checkmate. Wow! Oh my god, what is this? He's literally going for a checkmate. That's crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's actually surprised that he beat me.
Yeah, neither am I, honestly. How about... Ah! It's so dangerous. Oh my god. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay. Ay. That's not funny. Trying to checkmate me again? Enough. Checkmates. Ay, ay, ay. Bravo. Молодец. Congratulations. Hi. Good job. Where are you going? We're gonna play a rematch. Come here, come back.
I want to revenge.
Of course, I'm not gonna let the kid get away with that.